Before you continue, please keep in mind, we've tested the GoPro and the Action 2 somewhere here. Link in the description. You're gonna love these two comparisons. An empty parking lot. This can mean only one thing. It is summer vacation time. Hey everyone, welcome to the garage. And when summer vacation comes along, it comes with one huge problem. You know those 2 days right close to your vacation? These days are really stressful from a gear perspective. What camera should I bring with me? How many macro SDs should I get? We're here to fix that today. In order to see what's the best way to shoot, we went to a special place. A calm, silent, chilled park outside of the city. Today's contenders are some of the most desired action cameras of this year. We're putting head-to-head the GoPro 10, the DJI Action 2, the GoPro 9 with the MaxMod, and the Insta360 Go 2. Yo, this is Future Victor. So what happened was, I filmed the shot, I recorded all I wanted to say, but the mic was so bad that the audio cannot be used. So that means that here, in the future, I will walk you through what I filmed in the park. The tests that we're going to do, we're going to put these cameras through all the tests that you need in order to decide which one is better for your vacation. 1. Picture quality. 2. Dynamic range. And of course, we're going to do a ninja walk stabilization test. Bing. Oh, hello. Dynamic range. Dynamic range is important so that when you film something, the dark places aren't too dark or the sky isn't white. That cannot be fixed in post-production. So let's see how these cameras handle different lighting conditions. During the life of your action camera, you're going to be putting them through a few tests. You're either going to be walking with them or you're going to be running with them. Doesn't matter. Sometimes you just want to ninja walk in order to get the most stabilized footage. Our test, called Walk, Ninja, Walk and Run, is supposed to help you with how your cameras will react to all these conditions. That went well. All works. And this little guy also works. All right. And this is me running. This is me just normal walking. Or walking. Or walking. Or walking. Normal walking. Ninja walk. Feels like I'm saying this every episode, but this time I am literally surrounded by a lot of bugs. Of course, this is overheating. So in the end, who won? I think it's the GoPro. The commenter of the month goes to this person. Thank you, nice person. Made my day.